Open folder. Good. Online, someone Dawood is asking how to add single file from group of files to GitHub. If you have only single file to add from the group of files, GitHub will not take like that. It will like to take only folder. But already existing file folder, you want to add one file, you can use git add space. If you remember, every time we use git space add space a dot. Dot means all. Instead, if you give one name, it will go with only one that particular name. Now, anyway, yesterday we discussed something called FlexBox. Right, ma? Let me repeat it. How did we do? What is FlexBox? Now go here. Right click. Open with live server. Now, if you see it clearly, now all the elements are arranged in one direction. Which direction they are arranged, ma? Row or column? No. Horizontal direction is called row. Vertical one is called column. Now you see some websites. Imagine if I go to a websites like Tata Click. Now if I go to the website like Tata Click, here you can see down all the elements here, west side, women's wear, they all arranged in one direction. Which direction they all arranged, ma? Row. Row. Simple. See, row, row, row. So if you know that how to arrange these things in a row, automatically you can build this site. And more interestingly, each one is row, but all the things are actually in a column one. Now, sir, if I have to create this one, sir, imagine I have to create this one. If you want to create this one, what elements you will create, sir? You will create it here, three things. First one, big div. Inside this div, one title. Inside this div, one title. One chota box. Again, and another box. Now, the total three are there. Title and this and this. All three are in column. All three are in column, right or not? Now, inside this third one, again, four are there. And these four are in which direction? These four are in which direction, ma? That is what we have discussed yesterday, how to do that. To arrange the elements in single direction, row or column, we will use something called FlexBox. What we will use, sir? FlexBox. What is the default direction FlexBox arranges? What is default direction FlexBox will be arranged, ma? Row. Left to right, row. Now, to understand about FlexBox easily, I told you to do practice on one website named FlexBox Labs. If you open this website, you can see total. Now let me create it one more element. Total, how many elements are there? And all these elements are arranged in. Now, imagine I say here, if I don't say FluxBox, now these are normal. Each one is one div, sir. Each one is one div. Each one is a div, but divs are coming side by side. Div will not come side by side because they are block elements. But still, if you want them to come, you use something called flux. By default, which direction they are coming? Which direction, sir? Flux is very important. Flux, grid. If you know, you can actually do anything. Then next, flux direction. Row reverse, if I do, what will happen, sir? Reverse the row. It will start from last. Grid flux direction, colon. Now, which direction they are arranged in? Which direction they are arranged, ma? Flux, flux direction, colon reverse. Then which direction they are arranged? Column only reverse. You can arrange the elements using row reverse, colon reverse. Any doubt, sir? Online, anyone doubt? No. Let's go here. I can even do here. What if I added here some 10, 11, 12 elements I'm adding? All 12 elements are coming in one row only, na? But instead, if I say wrap, by default, no wrap will be there, wrap. Then automatically, how many elements it will fit? That many elements it will take. Remaining elements which are not fitting, they will go in a new line. You flux wrap is used to arrange the elements in new line. To adjust this new line, you can use something called how you want these elements, gap between the elements. You can do align content. Both the elements will come. Total whole thing you wanted to do. That is called align content. Or imagine wrap is not there. All elements are coming it here. Now, how to move the elements through x-axis? Justify content through x-axis. Now understand, justify content will not move the elements through x-axis. Justify content will move the elements through main axis. Now, which direction they are arranged, ma? Row or column? Which direction? I want to move one element in row. Then what one you will use? Justify content. Justify always makes move in main axis. Main axis is like which axis they are in. They are in main axis row. So if I say center, row center. If I say end, row end. If I say start, row start. What if, sir, flux direction is colon? Now, justify content will work for start, or end means down, or center means center. Like if I delete this, you can understand it. Now see this. Now justify content, start, end, center. Justify content, it's not like every time x-axis. It can move the elements in y-axis also. But while it is moving in y-axis, you should understand what is the flux direction. Right, ma? Now, align items is used to move the elements through exactly opposite of main axis. Now, main axis is row, so align items will move the elements through y-axis, column. So if I say start, starting only, end, ending, center, kind of thing. Any doubts, ma? Now, someone is saying it like stretch. Usually stretch is used in olden times. We are not using it anymore, but stretch is like it will fill the gap. How much gap is there? It will like to stretch them completely. Okay. Now, see this one. Most people in this one, they will confuse in this, which is justify content, space between. See this properties. Space between will move the elements left to right. Left element is going left, right element is right. Space will be between them. Or space around. Space will be around them, left, right. But can you see middle value is more than left and right? Why? Because first one left side and first one right side, second one left side and second one right side gaps are there. Because in middle, you will get first one right side and second one left side. You are getting more gap. That is space around. Space, if I use space evenly, all sides same gap will come. If I use space evenly, I will get same gap in all sides. This is a basic logic, ma. Any doubts here? No. If you have multiple elements, imagine I have so many elements. To give gap between the elements, you will use gap property. If I give gap 0 pixel, there is no gap at all. If I give gap 10 pixel, I will give total gap. Gap between the elements, you will use gap property. Okay. Next, items. Someone is like, what is the difference between align items and align content? I think you guys didn't get understand. Align items is like elements. Like for example, you have certain elements. Now these elements you wanna move. These both elements you wanna move y-axis, or both elements you wanna move x-axis, whatever the cross-axis is there. You will use something called align items. Align items. Items means elements. What is align content, sir? Align content will not be used for elements. Align content will be used for lines. Flux wrap. Can you see now two lines are there? How many lines are there? Two lines. Now, if I want to arrange these lines, if I want to arrange these lines, then I will use this align content. See, both the lines are going. I am not moving the elements. I am moving the lines. Sir, what if, sir, there is no wrap? What if there are no lines? Then align content will not work. Align content will work for only lines. Okay. It's like yesterday when I explained Fluxbox, I gave the example like students in the last bench. Now suddenly when someone comes, I told it like flux wrap is like when someone comes, some people will join in another bench. Just align content will adjust the gap between benches. Align content will adjust the gap between benches. But align items will adjust the people inside the bench. Is it clear, ma? Online, is it clear? You can even give child properties. For example, I select one child. I go here. I can say for this child can grow more if space is there. See, only this guy, I'm saying it like he can grow more. Now, if I just delete it, reminding people, now, now can you see? First guy is more than the second guy. Why? Because for first guy, you gave something called flux grow. Flux grow will increase his growth. Flux grow will increase his growth when the space is there. When the space is there. Imagine the space is not there. Then flux grow will not have any use. Imagine when space is not there, I want him to shrink more. Then you can use flux shrink. See, first guy is shrinking more than the other two people. First guy is shrinking. Earlier, whatever the properties I said, those properties for all elements combined, we will say parent properties. Whatever the properties now you are giving it, these are child properties. Now you see this one is shrinking more. Or you take the second element. Second element, they wanted like fixed size, flux basis. Sets the initial size, how much you wanted. 200 pixel. How much size you want, initially it can decide. No matter other elements. See, other elements are smaller, but it doesn't care. It will have that one only by default. That is flux basis. You can even do align self. That means you can go with the top, bottom, up. You can go however you want. These properties we have discussed, sir. Does anyone have any questions, ma'am? Any questions? No. Online, is it clear, sir? Online, is it clear? Yes. Yesterday, I told you one site and a game to play, which is FlexBoxFroggy. 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 And I told you to play this game. Did anyone completed this game? Did anyone completed this game, sir? How many of you tried this game? 1, 2, 3, 4. Online, offline people, how many of you have systems now with you? Phones? All are having phones now with you. Open it. Start it, sir. Some people in the online did it. I'm happy with it. Even offline also some only few did. We'll try for 10 minutes and then we'll go for projects. Offline, whoever not tried, try it now. Every level I wanted to see, like I will explain it. Any level you stuck on. Online, anyone, like whoever completed, just revise it, revise the things. But whoever not done, please complete it now. Second level, justify content flux and it's not coming inside. Online someone. Justify content. Second level is not justify content flux end. Justify content center. It will come online. The people who did it just do it one more time. Everyone getting it ma offline? If doubts are there, ask me. Only green one coming. No, online second level is justify content. Justify content center. Give it here. Both will come. Online someone is not getting 24th level. Now, which level you are in, ma, offline? 12, 13. Quickly, I'm gonna go with 24th. Online, I will explain my 24th, don't worry. And if anyone have any doubts, you can let me know. No, online someone said it a lie, level number 6. But this is the best level, sir, which is justify content. You should write it justify content center. Justify content center and align items center. Justify content center and align item center. Are everyone come to 24 ma? What is the level now? 20? 15? You said it's completed yesterday only. Oh. 24th level, waiting. Good. Come on, boys, remaining quickly. Am I audible? Online, am I audible? Yes. Did you guys done 20 levels, ma? Are everyone came to 20 levels, sir? Boys, what is your levels? 20. Now, good. Let's start then. Yes, online, Soumya, it's right, 7th one. Try it, sir. Now, let me do it. From 20 to 24, I will do it now. Remaining levels, you guys can try it. Let's go with 20. See this. They are in row direction, but I want it in column direction. So flux direction. What is the flux direction? Column. But they all are in one line. I want them to split it into 3 lines. How can you do that, sir? Flux wrap, which is wrap. Should work. Flux direction colon and flux wrap. Now see here 3 people are there. Now here understand this. Here 3 people are guy 3 rows are there, 3 lines. You have to adjust the gap between the lines. You have to adjust the gap between the lines, not the items. Sir, if I wanted to adjust only this frogs, that is different. But gap. Align content. Line content. Line content you will go with here first. Like start. Automatically they all will go to start. I may be doing it directly, but I go with like you guys can read this. Always, if you read the description, 99% of the times they will tell in description only what to do, what not to do. Then go here, line content, and then next. They want them in reverse. First thing, they are in row direction. I want colon, flux direction, colon. Now they are going it here. Okay, colon. Now, after this, I want them to be center. Align contents, center. Oh, ready to be down now? Colon reverse. Last level. It's like the most people stuck here. First, reverse these things. How do you rule? Flux, colon, flux direction, colon, no, colon reverse, yes, then flux wrap. Why? Because I want them to split it out. I want it to split. If I do wrap, this is wrap. But do I want wrap? Do I want wrap, sir? No. I want them in reverse because I wanted this one to right left side, that one to right side. Wrap reverse. Now everyone is perfect. Now I want them to be center. Align items center. Okay, sorry, they are in reverse. Now understand, sir. They are in column direction. When they are in column direction, if you wanted to adjust them in column, you will use justify content. Justify content always works for flux direction. Flux direction is now column only. So they will also arrange in column only. Justify content column. center. Now gap between the items, align content, gap between the lines, align content, space between. हो गया. Any doubts, ma'am? Online, any doubts? Order. Imagine here 3 elements are there. Now, why to go with imagine? I will show it to you directly. Flux labs. Now here, see, first element is coming here, second element is coming here, third element is coming here. They all three, basically, what is the order for every element? What is the every element order? By default, every element order is 0. Imagine I gave this order 1. After 0, 1 will come, na? When you give 1, what happen? Positive number. These two are 0. This is 1. Okay. Now, anyone guess? If I go to third one, if I give order -1, what will happen? -1. Then it will come first. -1, 0, 1. Like a number line, sir. If I give order -1. Oh, not minus is not printing it here, I think. It's not taking negative values. Oh, it's taking -1. Any doubts? Order is used to arrange the elements. Now, if I add a new element, see the new element is coming in between because order is -1, 0, 0, 1. If I go to box number 4 and if I say order 5, where it will go? Last. Why? Because -1, 0, 1, and 4. 5. Used to arrange the elements in an order. By default, order is 0. Is it done, sir? Now, sir, in real time, how can I practice? In real time, where can I practice? Go to this website. Go to this website named Front End Mentor. What is the website name? Front End Mentor. Go to this website, Front End Mentor. Go to this website, Front End Mentor. And in Front End Mentor, just log in, sir. Log in with the GitHub. Give your GitHub details. Just click on sign in. Push it. Okay. I will use here Front End Mentor. Now it will open login something like this, sir. Now here it will ask something called challenges. Click here challenges, ma. Click the challenges. Now you can see so many challenges here. You can observe so many challenges here. Take any one challenge. Now take any one challenge. Let's go with, we will take some challenges, sir. Now go down, go down, go down. Go down. HTML, CSS filtered by now tasks. I want it only HTML and CSS ones. No JavaScript. Go here. Now, can we do this, ma? Can we create this card? Easy one. Let's go here. Select one challenge. Click here, start challenge. Start challenge. This one will give you all the files. See, download starter. I will download the starter files. They will give you some basic files, sir. Now I will go here. This is 100% free. Now go right click, extract all. I will extract. After extracting, open it. Now I have all the files. I will copy them, sir. Why you are copying, sir? You can do there only. Yes, I can do there also. But I just want it like everything I do, I wanted to keep it somewhere. So that's why I'm keeping it here. Now, inside the CSS, I will create one folder for projects. And I will say one project name, front-end mentor 1. Inside this, I will paste this. One more time, what you did. Going to front-end mentor website, select one challenge, download the starter, extract the zip. After extracting the zip, copy paste it into your VS Code. Or you can directly open VS Code that folder also, your wish. I wanted everything in this folder, that's it. Any doubts, ma? Now, how to create this? See this design? File, open. Can you see my design, ma? Now tell me, how many divs I have to take inside the body? How many divs I have to take inside the body? How many? People are going with 4, 5, 1. First, you have to take it 1. That is the main div. Inside the main div, you will take one IMG. You may take it in a div or image. And you will take one heading. You will take some paragraph. You will take one div. Inside this div, again you will have left side something chota one. Right side you have again and another one. Next, again, last one, you have another div. Inside this div also, you will have one chota image and this. Does anyone have doubts in this segregation? First one, you have to, if someone gives you project, don't do directly. First divide that. Understand it, like how many you have to create, what elements to create. First structure. You have to do HTML for this. After doing HTML only, you should go for JavaScript. But people will start it like first keeping the color, putting the image, those things they will take time. That's waste. Is there any doubt still now? Online, any doubts ma till now? No, I hope. Online, is it clear ma till now? Yes. Sir, let's go here. Let's see. They gave me some kind of HTML page. You can see here. This is what the HTML page they gave. And I will just remove whatever the styles they gave. Now, if I go here, just check it. This is what the website they gave. Whatever the website they gave this one I have to convert into that one. Let's start, sir. Go down. I don't want any attributions. Chhod do. First, everything should be inside one div. I'm taking a main tag. Inside the main tag, everything will be there. Right or not? Now, go here, check it. Inside your body, only one main is there. Inside that, what elements you need? Image, heading, paragraph, two divs. Go here. Image, heading, paragraph, and div asterisk 2. Now inside this div, again, inside this fourth div, left side something, right side something. Left side I will take some H3, right side I will take one paragraph. And again, last one, left side something, right side something. Left side I will go something IMG and then I will give some paragraph. This is my HTML code. Any doubts? Any doubts, ma? No. For this image, sir, how do I get these images and all? They will give you. They will give you whole thing like a designer. They will give you completely. Dot slash images. In images, first thing, image equilibrium. This is the image. Second, heading equilibrium 3459, 3429, whatever. Next, paragraph. This is the paragraph. Then next, 0.04 EEPH. I think I did wrong. This equilibrium is inside H2. This our equilibrium is inside this paragraph. Then this one inside H3. This 3 days left is inside this. Then creation of jewels. You are having first one an image. Image is like dot slash images. You can see image avatar. Image avatar. And you are having it here. Dot slash or something. Avatar. Go here. Live. Always keep your website 100%. Then only you will understand reality. Any doubts in my HTML, sir? In future, if I needed something, I will do. I will add it one by class names. Go here. Go to one page style guide. In that, they will tell you what color you have to take. I told you when we discussed UI UX Figma, I told you this. Designers will give you the complete design. They will only tell you what to do. They will only tell you the colors. They will only tell you the fonts. They will only tell you images and everything. All you have to do is keep the content inside the HTML and CSS or JavaScript and make it presentable. That's what anything will be done. Okay. Now, primary, neutral. See, for main background, what they said, This very dark blue. Copy. Do I have any CSS file, ma? Do I have any CSS file here? So create a CSS file. Style.css. Always make sure you do this. Margin 0, padding 0, box sizing border box. Next. Body. The whole body will have background color. Go to HTML. I did not link my CSS, sir. Now see, background color came. Now let's go to your CSS. Inside this, display flux, justify content, center, align items, center, justify content, center, align item, center, height 100 VH. So that if you do this, sir, 100% height will come and the thing will come at the center of the page. Now it is at the center of the page. You need to adjust the things. Second, card, not card, main. Main will also have height 50 VH, width 40 VW, background color white. In our original design, background color is not white. I know that. I just wanna see it until it's finished. When everything is done nicely, na last one I will put it light. Here you put it a background one, and it became very small. Only the problem is these images are not coming correctly. These images are not coming correctly. So images, inside the body, sorry, inside the main, you have a direct image. The direct image you will go with height 200 pixel. Height 200 pixel ma. Now go here. Can you see this? Width ज़्यादा हो गया. Why it got spoiled? Oh, we are doing it not in the CSS. Go to HTML. Run it. Any doubts, ma? Now you go here. Now height is more. Height is almost 80. Width is almost 15. 20. Right. Any doubts, sir? Any doubts? No, na? Now, inside this main element, so many elements are there. To arrange the elements inside the main, I will say display flux. The moment you say display flux, sir, they will arrange in row because flux direction by default is row. So I wanna change it. I will change flux direction colon. Flux direction. Any doubts? Let's give padding, ma. Padding 20 pixel. And for the image, for the main image, where is this guy? I will give certain border radius. 20 pixel. For whole box also, border radius. 30 pixel. ज़्यादा हो गया. Now, next. Inside this main, now what is this flux direction colon? Justify content, space between. If you give space between, all elements will get some gap. And inside this main, whatever the divs are there, those divs are also again display flux only. So again, then they will come side by side. All you need to do is adjust that avatar ray. Last but not least, go here, go to HTML, write it here down. Class avatar. Now, next, where is CSS? Dot avatar, height 50 pixel. Any doubts, ma? Any doubts? Online, any doubts? Now, sir, your design is not over. First thing, I want it like this one left side, this one right side. How do you get some elements left and right? Justify content, space between. And also this text is there, na? This text should come vertically center. How to bring that vertically center here? Align, item. Perfect. But the task design is different. This is the task design, sir. Now, I am just writing it the background color white because just to see you now. Once the design thoda understand over, then I will change that design. Okay, ma? Now let's go here. Let's put something like this. The line items div class avatar div class plus first div. You put any name. Dot first div. Justify display flux. Justify content. Space between. Space between. Next, same like the first div, sir. Same like first div, avatar div. Align items center. Gap some 10 pixel. I need some line ray. I forgot to put the line here. Line is like HR. To the people who don't know, HR gives you horizontal line. In HTML, we discussed it. Any doubt, sir? No. Now let's decrease that border radius also. For image, border radius is 10. For this guy, 15. And for the main card, till now I put background color white now. But if you go to your style guide, it is saying it like for card, this is the thing. This is the thing for card. So go here. Control C, why it is not working? Control V. हो गया. This is my design, but I wanted to change colors. Are you getting my point, sir? Now, before you change the colors, understand the font families. Like you go to your design, you go to the style content, they said it, normal font size is 18 pixel. And what is the font family they used? What is the font family they used, sir? Outfit. So I will go here, I will go to this link, and I can also download the outfit so that it will look exactly same. How to take something like in Google font family. Click here, get font, get embed code, @import, take this link, style.css, and then next font family. Inside the body, sir, let's give the font family. And also basic font size, they said it, basic font size is 18 pixel. Let's go with this one more time. Let's go to HTML. Any doubts, ma? I changed the font family. Now, one by one. First, heading change kar, heading ka color. Heading. H2 or H1 it is? H2, color white. And then next, we have colors like white, we did. For line, we will give this color. So for HR, you will give color this. Next, something cyan, we will give to this particular text, sir. Whatever this one. Inside the first div H3. Inside the first div H3. Color. Next, soft blue. Soft blue. For paragraphs, I used soft blue. Any doubts? This is the design I got. This is the design they gave. And this Jules van will come in white color. Go to this HTML. Only for this guy. Keep it in span. So write it here. P space span. Color white. Any doubt, sir? Here they put one icon also before this width, which we did not put. You can go HTML. Where is this first div? Here inside them, I will give some img dot slash images icon this. Next. हो गया. Any doubts, ma'am? Any doubts online? This is my design. This is my design. This is his design. May not be 100% accurate, but mostly. And I want you to go to Front-End Mentor and try these things, sir. I think yesterday in class, did I tell CSS battle something kind of one? Not yesterday, I think. Some days before I told some websites, na CSS battle and all. Try those things also, same way. So to everyone's notice, I'm just bringing it up an important notice, my everyone. We will have our next class on Tuesday. I will be on a leave on Monday, only for my class. Okay, not for whole Narisheti. I will be on leave on Monday, so we will have our next class in Tuesday. Normal timings only. Okay. So we might have an extra class on Sunday, next Sunday, not now. Okay. So I will compensate there. So all I want you guys to do is go to first push this into Netlify. Now project is done. See, actually, I should do some more things, little bit, the kind of touch and all. But if you do it, your wish. Now, you go to some website. Now, go to a website called Netlify. What is the website name? Netlify. Now, there are two ways, sir. One, you will push it to GitHub, and from GitHub, you push it to Netlify, or you directly push to Netlify. Your wish. Any doubt, sir? I'm directly pushing into Netlify and I'm pushing into GitHub also, both. First, go here, upload. Now in desktop, in Naresh 80, in full stack 9, I go here, inside the CSS, inside the projects, I did one project. Upload. It's uploaded, sir. Any doubts, ma'am? If you go here, site configuration, you will get one link. Keep it with you. Next. Also, I will push this whole thing into GitHub. How do you push it into GitHub, sir? GitHub will have basic commands. Every day do commands, you will remember them. Git init. Every day you don't need to write it actually, but I'm just doing it. Git space add space dot. Sir, if you want it only, sir, I don't want dot. I wanted to add only some file. For example, index.html. If you want to do it like only write it here index.html, only that file will be added. But if I wanted to add all, then I have to write all. Then after that, git commit. Once everything is done, I will do commit updated. Git push. Before pushing, you need to add the origin. Git remote add origin. But you can directly push also. -u origin main. I pushed, sir. Now here, any doubt, sir? Any doubts? Now I pushed. Go here. Go to this website. Go to this website called Front End Mentor. And inside the Front End Mentor, I downloaded this project, sir. Go down. HTML, CSS. Now, where I downloaded this project, which project? This project only I downloaded. Go down. Now here, if you see, you challenge hub. Now inside this, they will ask you something called submit your solution. I will go here. I will just write submit my solution. What is the name? NFT card by Flux. You put whatever name you like. Give me your repository URL. Give me your repository URL. Repository URL means, sir, GitHub. In GitHub, something full stack 9. Inside CSS, inside projects front end, I have this. So I will copy this. I will paste it here. Give me your live site URL, sir. Live site URL means everyone. Live site URL means go to Netlify, copy this, paste it here. Then, do you want to write about whatever the tools you used? No. Do you want to write about your journey and all? If you focus on time and if you write it, it would be good. Submit the solution. Now my solution will be submitted. That's it. You can even submit, if you submit one solution, you can even see another people's solutions. Other people, whoever submitted. Here I'm seeing challenges now. Now, imagine I want one solution by someone. Like if I click on solutions, now see, someone did this all. Now, for example, I wanted to see some kind of codes. Someone did this site. Did anyone did this our site which we did? No. Why no one choose it? Mhm. Go down, go down, go down, go down, go down. So many people did the simple projects. Okay, kuch bhi. See, let's read with this guy. So someone did this one. So you can even see their solution, how they did their solutions. They will even write it if you want it like, okay. Now, so what are the challenges you understand? They just write their challenges. They just give whatever their thoughts and all. And you can even, you know, like these things and all. You can even comment on this guy, like your feedback. Someone also will give you a feedback. They will see your solution and they will give you feedback, sir. Any doubts, ma? You see, these are called wall of fames. That means this guy submitted nearly 1,600 with a score. Everyone will have a score. Okay. Now, based on number of solutions you submit, you will get your score, sir, which is a simple score. Are you getting my point, ma? The more solutions you submit, the more you will get it. For one solution, you will get it 10. Any doubts? Any doubts in this, ma? Please submit it at least per day one. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, you will be free. At least you can do 2 easily. Is it clear, man? Online, is it clear? Yes. And in case, sir, if you are getting doubt, ma, you can even message me in the Telegram one that I can be there. Okay. I think we have in Telegram one group there. It can be. Some people are really doing it in that group that they are posting it, whatever the designs they did. I have seen some Apple card or something kind of things. Okay. Do you guys have any Netlify site you did want to see? Does any one of you have any Netlify site you want to show? No? If anyone did not join in Telegram, they can see it in our GitHub. The Telegram will be there. Okay. That's it for today, sir. Thank you all. Okay. Front End Mentor is a site. Remember it. Thank you.